D2K has developed an online module to assist companies in managing their former bankrupt lists. Although designed for former bankrupts, this tool can actually be used for any prospect list you purchase. As you mail solicitation to your customers, the Management Center allows you to enter new address information, flag bad addresses, and remove customers from your advertising list. In addition, a new BK database will be created and maintained within our internet platform, iConnect, with the ability for home office to download the entire customer list at any time. This video is designed to walk you through the features and functionality of the Former Bankrupt Management Center. So it all starts with iConnect and the home page. As you can see, there's a link up at the top for Former BK Management Center. We go to the customer query page. You can list all of the information or just part of the information, usually the last name. So we'll list that last name now. Be very generic. And it lists every customer that comes up with that match. And you can then narrow that list by putting in the first name and the last name. So we have narrowed the list down to the customer we're looking for. So you can click on the first or last name to see all of the information and to see the transactions that are available. As you can see from this page, we have all the customer information on the left, the transaction options on the right. We'll start with the customer requested Do Not Advertise. So we list all the information up above that's currently in the database and the transaction that's listed. We'll go ahead and confirm that. As you can see, we've got a confirmation message that came back. It was successfully added. Now we can go back to the lookup process. From there, we'll look at new and bad addresses. We'll list another customer. Now I've got quite a list here, so I'm going to go ahead and pick one of the names. You can see that I've actually picked the wrong one, so I can go back to the results and actually choose the correct customer this time. Now I'll click on the bad address. The information that's current is out there. And I'm going to go ahead and confirm this is a bad address account. I get my confirmation message, and then I can go back to the lookup. Now we'll look at changing addresses. So I select my customer. Results are listed down there. Click on the Change Address button. And now up above is the current address. Down below is the same information. So I can change some or part of the information that's there depending on what new address information I've obtained. So I'm going to put the new address in. I'm actually going to take out one of the zip codes to show you that there are actually rules in place. Warnings, so this information needs to be filled out. It needs to be 5 digits for the zip code, so I'll add that 5th digit, hit the submit button, and now it shows both the current and new information listed, so I can check that out and I can go back and edit that address information or confirm it. In this case, I'll go back and edit, and I notice that the city is incorrect, so I will add that. Hit the submit button, and now I'm ready to confirm. I've got my confirmation. Now that has been added to the database, and I can go back to the customer lookup page. As with all D2K Made Easy tools, there's an administrative site for your home office to use. We have a link down here for the Former BK Management Center. And there we have the options to either download the current database, delete the database that it's out there, or choose or browse for an updated file to upload into the system. So before you do upload any new files, you need to make sure that the old one is downloaded, and so you have a backup. Assuming that you've made all the changes, you'll notice on the downloaded file that there are columns for address, changes, bad addresses, solicitation. Each one is noted if there's a change made with an update date. The rest of the file contains all the information that's in the database, customer's name, address, etc. So we'll go ahead and delete the file that's out there, assuming that you've made all the changes. You get a warning message that you're about ready to delete that database. We'll hit OK. And now we're going to select, actually browse for the updated file that you have. Perhaps there's new names that are listed or other address changes that are made. So we select that file, click Open, and then Upload. This will display the first 10 records that are found in the file. We had 1,000 records in this particular file, and you also have messages for any errors or warnings if the fields are too big. And that will conclude the administrative site of the BK Management Center. Thank you for watching this demonstration video. If you'd like more information about this tool or any of the tools that D2K has to offer, feel free to contact me at the information that's listed here. Thank you and have a great day.